Ganesha's fiery stomach. Ganesha had swallowed the fire demon Anala. Unfortunately, the demon started troubling his stomach. Ganesha felt like his stomach was on fire. He was unable to lie down or remain still. He shouted in pain, "Oh, my stomach! Help me! It is burning!" Ganesha rolled on the ground in immense pain. Tears rolled down his eyes in suffering. He was unable to bear the burning sensation. The gods panicked to see Ganesha in pain. "We must put out the fire quickly, or else he will die." Some poured cold water on his stomach. A few brought icy cold water for him to drink. Moon said, "I have a cool nature. Let me soothe him." But nothing worked. Someone called the water god Varun. He poured the cool Ganga water on Ganesha's stomach, but Ganesha's suffering continued. Ganesha as Balchandra and Padmapani. The gods were worried about Ganesha's fiery stomach. Some even brought chunks of ice from the peaks of Mount Kailash, but Ganesha was not relieved. A huge hula baloo took place in heaven. A few goddesses also came forward to help. They brought milk, curd, sandalwood powder paste, cool clay, and even turmeric, but nothing helped. Some goddesses tried flower extracts as a remedy for the burning. Legend has it that Indra brought the crescent moon and placed it on Ganesha's stomach, thus giving him the name Balchandra. Vishnu also came to visit Ganesha and placed his lotus on Ganesha's stomach, but the suffering did not subside. Ganesha is known as Padmapani after this instance. One of the legend says that at this moment Brahma got his two daughters Riddhi and Siddhi married to Ganesha to cool him down, but nothing made a difference to Ganesha's burning stomach. Durvagras cures Ganesha. A worried Shiva came forward to help his son. He pulled out his divine serpent and placed it over Ganesha's stomach. The holy purse of the serpent also didn't relieve Ganesha from the pain. Everyone was concerned now. The gods then called upon all the sages from the universe. In a short while, 80,000 sages came there. When they saw Ganesha suffering from the burning sensation and acting restless, they placed exactly 21 shoots of Durva plant and chanted sacred mantras. Immediately, the burning sensation stopped. Ganesha's body became cool and felt relaxed. "Now I feel much better. Thank you so much, wise sages," he said with a smile. Ganesha then declared that anyone who offered him Durva grass would be blessed. "Those who offer Durva shoots to me shall attain purity, and all their sins shall be forgiven. Even if a devotee does not offer me flowers, I would bless him if he offers me Durva grass," he said. So no ritual for Ganesha is considered complete if Durva grass is not offered to him. The Brahmins Curse. King Sulabh was the ruler of the island Jambudweep. He and his wife Subhadra worshipped Ganesha devotedly. Once a poor Brahmin arrived at King Sulabh's palace and begged the king to give him something to eat. But the king turned down the hungry and needy Brahmin's request. He further asked the Brahmin to look for a job as he seemed capable of earning his own living. The humiliated Brahmin got very angry and cursed King Sulabh. "You have failed to fulfill the responsibilities of a king. May you be born as an ox." The queen was furious to hear the Brahmin curse her husband. So she cursed him back. "You senseless Brahmin, may you be born as a donkey." Now the Brahmin turned his fury at the queen and cursed her too. "May you be born as a beggar," he shouted. Thus the king, the queen, and the Brahmin were reborn as an ox, a beggar, and a donkey, respectively.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.